Hello everyone! Good morning! And good afternoon Philippines! Hear me? So guess what? Guys, remember that I made a dried fish or bulad? It's a crappie. And now this is it. Fried. So I never tried yet since I think 2 days ago I made this one already. Let me see guys. Still crispy. My husband fried this one. And let's see, this is for the head. Vinegar guys. Just white vinegar. Dato puti. My God. I think this is the perfect dried fish or bulad I ever made. It's really like bulad because it's salty, but not really bad salty. Because before I'm afraid to put of salt. And now, no scales. I did scales. And let's eat guys. Gikapoy ko guys, mapapaguli na ako isang trabaho. Kauntag bulad. Crispy siya. Parat-parat. Nya. Lami. Perfect siya. We have pizza here guys, but I like bulad. Lami. Kaon na kuha ni. I think my husband tried this one like a couple hours ago, but still crispy. And of course, guys, my hot chocolate. Nami free guys, free nga drinks.